Hello students, welcome back to VHS Sumati Academy. Again, this is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So today we will start our next chapter or new chapter, that is chapter 5, our food and its digestion. Okay, today we will talk about our food and its digestion. Now, as all we know that food is very necessary for us. Whenever we feel hungry, we eat food. Okay, either whatever we eat in the food, that is fruits, vegetable, or some dishes. Now we all know that food is a basic requirement for all living things. Okay, first we have to know food is a basic requirement for all the living beings, because this food provides us energy. This food gives us energy, and also this food has some substance. This food has some substance which is very compulsory for our growth, development, and to survive. These substances are very useful for our body growth, for our development, as well as to survive. So first things we came to know, that is food is a basic requirement for all the living things. Means either we are the human beings or animals or the plants, all need food to survive, because this food gives us energy. Also this food grow this food we can say this food is necessary to the growth and the development of our body. Now, as we all eat the food, we know this food have some substance that keep our body healthy. Okay, this food has some substance which keep our body healthy. These substances are called as nutrients. Okay, these substances are called as nutrients. Okay, so there are some nutrients which give us energy, which help us to grow, and also these nutrients protect from so many diseases. This such type of food is known as healthy food. Okay, which protects us from some diseases, which help us to grow, or which gives us energy. This food is known as healthy food. Like in this food we have fruits, vegetables, pulses, and so many things. But on the other side, we also eat such type of food which have zero nutrients value, means which doesn't help to grow our body. With only these food uh, which is this food is very harmful for our body. Like for the taste only, we can say for the taste only we eat this food, like pizza, ice cream, and so many soft drinks, chewing gums, toffee, chips. These type of foods are called as junk food, because this food have zero nutrient value, and this food always harmful for our body. Now we will talk about some substance one by one. In the body, as we eat the food, the nutrition needs some substance like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, which is very useful for our body. So first we will talk about carbohydrates. Now, carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. First thing, carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. The important thing about, we can remember the carbohydrate, it is the main source of energy for our body. This these carbohydrates are provide us energy to help to keep our body warm. Okay, this carbohydrates gives us energy so that we can keep our body warm. uh, Sugar and starch are common carbohydrates. Okay, Again I'll repeat, carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body, and this carbohydrate give us energy to keep our body warm. And now we have some food which have carbohydrate like banana, potato, bread, rice, sweet potato, sugar and honey. These are the food which contain carbohydrate, and these foods are good for health. Whenever we need energy for our body, these food are very useful for our. Now we will talk about protein. Okay, protein. So proteins, this is called as a bodybuilding food for us. Proteins food means it is a bodybuilding foods for us, which help in the growth of our body. Okay, proteins helps to for the growth of our body, so they are very important for us. Like if we are the children, and now at the stage of child, we need to grow, means we need a growth of our body. So proteins are very important for our body. The protein also help in repair of damaged cells. Okay, protein also help to repair the damaged cells of our body. Okay, so some foods which contain proteins like milk, cheese, chicken, pulses, or we can say dal, eggs and fish. These are the food which contain protein. So again, protein is a body building food, and which helps to grow our body, and also proteins repair of damaged cells of our body. Now next we have fats. Okay, next food we have fat. Fat also gives energy to our body, but it gives more energy than carbohydrate. As we have learned, carbohydrate give energy to our body, but fat gives more energy than carbohydrate. It also keep our skin smooth. Okay, it also keep our skin smooth, and also the extra fat can be stored in our body and insulates our body from cold weather. Okay, whenever most of energy needs are made by the carbohydrates we eat, but fats, we can say the extra energy is stored as a fat in our body, and it insulates our body from the cold weather. There are so many foods which contain fats, that is butter, oil, nuts and ghee. This contain fats